Hey, I'm going to show you how to transfer your resources from one Google Drive to another. If it's just a simple PDF or image, you really should just download it and then re-upload it. That's honestly really the easiest way. So I have my old pitch publications at Gmail open up, and I'm going to go ahead and open up a new incognito window, and I'm going to log into my new, so I'm going to log into my GSuite Google Drive. So I have my old and I have my new. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to highlight the document I want to share. So I'm going to get the document I want to share. I'm going to right click, click share, advanced. Go ahead and invite yourself directly. You can notify them or not. Just click send. You'll notice that there's an option to change it to is owner, but that's actually not going to work because that only works within one master GSuite account, unfortunately. So I'm just going to cancel that. I'm going to go over here with shared with me. You might have to reload. And then here, you can just move this to your drive and it will be there. But really you're going to want to right click it and click make a copy. Because the problem with that is that if I come over here and I delete this and I go over to my trash and I empty trash, once I've completely emptied my trash, it's gone. And you don't want to accidentally delete it. I'll show you. Here's my drive. So that's completely gone, but my copy is there. So now I am the new owner of that. Then you can just come in here and you can just rename that. And it's the same document. It will break any links that you have created, so you'll have to go back in and redo the links. But that is a way. To transfer it. Unfortunately, right now, there's no direct way to change ownership from an @gmail.com to a @yourdomain.com address. So now that you have your file that you want to share, you're going to right click, click share. So if I go to get shareable link, it defaults to anyone at Pitch Publications the link can view. The problem with that is that when you share it, obviously they're not within your organization. So you share that link. So when you share that link, it's going to give them an error message. And then they're going to be asking you permission, and that's going to drive you crazy. So go ahead and go to advanced, change, anyone with the link can view. Click save, done. And now when you do it, it's going to pull it up. There's one other step that you can take is if you paste it and change this edit here at the end, if you change it to copy, watch what happens this time. I'm going to close that. And because I changed it to copy there, it's going to force make a copy. So that's how I share links with my buyers. I know TPT has a tool that will do this automatically, but right now I haven't messed with that. I just manually changed the end of that link there. Hope that helps.